Good morning, good morning, good morning. LJ Diary ki live trading session asibu yengbiriba aigi commercing mayam punamupo ahamada LJ ni kok nonjari. I have been receiving comments asking me to do the T and charts or perhaps these live sessions in either Hindi or English. So I wanted to understand for you guys that T and charts, will it be okay if I add subtitle in it? I'm sure the trading course and the live sessions will not help you if I do in my native language, that's Manipuri. I can understand that. Having said that, if you guys are okay, if I do add subtitles in all the videos, then I'll be more than happy to add that effort as well. So let me know in the comment if adding subtitle works or not. But today's session I'll do in English so that I can see the reaction how it goes. So what I'll be looking at it is I'll be looking the direction, I'll be looking the structure we have discussed. I have mentioned this in charts and time frame. I have chosen my friendly time frame over here. So this is just a chart. Okay, it doesn't gives any signal, it doesn't gives any advice, nothing. It's the record. So I have seen the record over here. What I saw is I saw certain levels. I will mark those levels. For what? Just to set a target or just to see if price is going this direction. There is a possibility, there is a probability that the price may go or touch those levels. So for time being, I'm just marking the swings. Now it's looking a strong bearish, so I will not go upward to mark those level for now. What I will do is I'll apply my lens, that is the time frame. For every day, for every session, I will wait for this first 15 minutes to complete to form a candle. So I switch to 3 minutes. What I found here is a little sideways kind of thing. So I'll mark the opening range, the 15 minutes top, the 15 minutes bottom. Next, what do I do? This is what I have. So what do we have here in this price moves down? You see here, okay? Price kind of rest, price pull down, push, kind of rest, took a pullback, down. You need to start avoiding this kind of noises. Again pull down, again market seems to be resting, again it may pull down or again it may push up. So whenever market goes in a direction, three reactions. One, continuation of the trend, that is the direction continuation. One is the reversal, that is changing the entire direction. Third is the range where it rests. This is the time where you don't take any kind of position, where you don't establish any kind of view. Don't judge. Don't give opinion. Let the market do the work. Whenever you started adding emotions, that is where your trade keeps failing. That is when your trade will fail. So let the market give you a clear direction. Only then you look for the opportunity. So what is my code for today? What is my context? Wait for a level. So what is my code? Context. Code is nothing but context, opportunity, decision, execution. Okay. In context, wait for a level to cross with the displacement candle. In opportunity, wait for an FEG when there is a level crosses. Take the decision, that means plan for your SL and target. E stands for execute, that is you take the trade and you relax. No need to give pressure in your hand. That's it. Simple. Nothing. So unless and until all these four criteria fits in the bill, you will be simply observing the market. I do see the displacement candle with the big candle, but I don't see the FVG room over here. This FVG, I would want to ignore it. Tiny FVG, it doesn't help me. Okay, this kind of FVG, I'll not go for it. I want a little healthier FVG. So question, should I take the 5 minute FEG or not? It's all up to you. Do I take? Yes, I do take. The higher the time frame seems to give a bigger candle, that means bigger target, bigger SL. 1 minute also has this FEG in and around here, but let's just wait. There is liquidity pending over here. It may come to get this again. We are good to take the trade, but I am just waiting for a better confirmation. See, if we jump in the running candle, we are gone, right? We will not be able to bear the pullback. Let's see. 63 is the target, okay. This is the target I attempted. That's okay, okay. There will be many times where you will find you set a target, it hits, it goes. Many times you'll find this. Things to understand is market is giving your pre-decided target. What is this? Take a decision, plan for SL and target. All right. So when you set the target, if the market is giving a target, no need to be greedy about it. To be very honest, no need to be greedy about it. So why I took the trade over here without FEG? I was talking about FEG, 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 and how come I switched the trade over here is the question, right? So main important is, oh damn, that's okay. You never expected this to happen. Okay, look here carefully. I have taken the trade after this sweep. So I just marked this during the session. I just marked this. I saw that this has been, swap. So my opportunity becomes here. Take the trade in and around this zone. Okay, take the trade in and around this zone. Keep the SL at this. Okay, now this, if I look into the premium, if I take the trade in and around here and keep the SL, what is my SL? 202.45 is the entry, okay, 202.45 and 12 rupees SL, all right. This is the 12 rupees SL trade. If I look the spot around here again, I took it around here, 15, 16. See, I don't have time to keep a projection. So this was the thing. When I took the trade, it was about to hit SL. You guys might have seen somewhere around 2K reverse. Oh damn man, this is going really insane. It's okay. What is the RR? 1 is to 2, right? 1 is to 2, and the other trade I exited at 263. 1 is to 4. So on an average, I am taking 3 kind of. So I have taken this trade. This is non-FEG trade. I saw the swap. I saw the SL. I've taken. Fine. Later on, I projected. A zone have been crossed. This zone, ORL cross with a displacement, with a beautiful displacement candle. What is the direction? Downtrend. What is the structure that price is giving? It has been downtrending and it has been resting for quite some time, right? While resting is called, market is making a decision to take a move, whether up, whether a down. So what we see here is down. How? We don't assume, we don't give an opinion, we don't give our judgment. It's just by the candle. It shows a very beautiful displacement candle, uneven candle. Price was ranging from 10 to 20, 10 to 20. All of a sudden, 10 to 40 is price has given, right? So this is the uneven candle. We waited for a FEG. Wait for a FEG where there is a level cross. This is the FEG, right? Take the decision. So this FEG, it came here. This is called touch and bounce. Touch and bounce doesn't mean that twang immediately it will touch or little like that. This is called touch and bounce. If you have taken this, your FEG box, that is the discounted area, is your SL. If the SL is too big, you avoid it. But you can't plan the SL by your choice. I can give only 5 rupees, 2 rupees kind of. So if you have taken this trade, the target zone is this, the first swing. Okay, previous swing in the 15 minutes, this is level. Now, once this is done, this is cross. Ideally, you should book some parcel over here and keep the trade. But my trade, I was running from here. My trade is not from here. My trade is from here. Before the FEG, I have already secured my profit here. Okay, so this trade failing for me is no question, which means if it hits SL also, I will be still in profit, right? Because my 90% of the quantity I have removed it, so I don't care. But that doesn't mean that the effort that you put, let it go just wasted. So you have to look for a target, you have to look to secure your capital. That is what I did. Okay, this is the projection I have given for those FEG thing. This is the trade, this is the target. Now it gives this. You feel regret, do not. Okay, do not, because this was not in your view. Should this was be in your view, then you keep it. Wherever market goes, I will leave it. 8 rupees was the max that it reversed, and it's gone. What is the risk to reward, guys? This is how we need to look the trade. This is how we need to plan. We cannot just jump. Stop doing that. Red, sell. No. So that is what it is. Charts, price, market moves in pattern, market moves in structure. Always, please remember this. We must go in a trend, we must go in a direction, we must follow the structure. Without this, it will just give you that disaster without even knocking it. You will not realize. It doesn't take a day, 2 year. Disaster in trading can happen in one trade. Remember that. Going insane, guys. Insane. Oh, holy shit. Holy shit. 160 rupees have given. Now it's going to grab this liquidity, I think. But thinking doesn't work, assumption doesn't work. See, if you haven't planned and entered, this is where you got cooked, right? See, you have to plan, you have to see the structure. It can completely reverse also, okay? Because this can be a strong buying zone. So whenever order hits, market hits here, huge order will come and direction change. Learn the direction and structure and then try to create your own strategy. That is the best medicine. Let's just close for some time. Guys, I couldn't come to check the market. I was doing editing, went to pick up my son and all those cooking and everything. We shouldn't have missed this trade because we are into the trend. So if we look here, remove all the noise and everything, come to your time frame here, and this is the pullback. This is what we may look for. Okay, so this is what we missing. This leg is considerable. Okay, this is considerable, but missing this trade is not good. If you book loss in this trade, that will call you as a wrong direction. Okay, if you book loss, for example, if you book loss in this trend, you can say that market was not in your favor, but you are on the right or the correct direction. So we missed this trade. It's okay, it's all fine. Today's trade has been done. I didn't take any further trade. Those one trade is, I think that's enough. Keep learning, guys. Keep learning. Keep observing the market. That's the best thing. Thank you so much. Namaste. Bye. Kurumjari.